over 3.
Yeah, I know, but I can still get the testing ones because those are cool and I don't want to miss any.
She's kind of in the way. Do you want to go up closer?
Yeah.
Then we can move the chairs.
Okay, yeah. I need help with it. Well, yeah, she's in the way.
Get under the tree.
Yeah, I'll record that. I'll keep recording as I move, just so I don't have to turn it off and stuff.
They're going right at the house.
Whoa.
Oh, move in more.
I'm trying. I have holding stuff here.
Hey, you coming by?
I'm going to the right side, that's all. Alright, let's see if they do any more test ones. Oh! Yep. That was awesome. I'll put my foot up on your seat. These are just some test fireworks at the house I'm at. These are all private fireworks that they just bought. Yep, from New Hampshire. These are awesome. Alright, hang on, I have to put my camera down for a second and fix this. Alright. Yeah, I'm drinking a mic so I can get it on camera, but I can't. Whoa, it's very smoky right here. I think I might have gotten hit by one of those. Bugs are getting me.
I know, because we're not in the middle of people.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
As the day wore on, the talent wore out. Thanks for listening to tonight's
Take this over here, so way the bugs won't come to get me. Because I'm done. It's my mic, I'm done with it, and I think I wanted the mic. Yep. Nope. You know I can only drink one.
You're not driving.
Yeah, but I can only handle one, and then I have to say no anyways.
How do you do them on my
I mean, I might be able to have like a half, but I don't want to open another one just to drink half of it.
You can. Should we take them home?
I say take them home because then I can drink them at home and have one for dessert. Because I was drinking those for dessert when they were at home.
Take a couple home.
Yeah. Because those do make good dessert. Wow, there's so much I can't even get. No, I think I can get a better view if I just put it down on my lap. Yeah, let me keep this on my lap. Let me keep this on my lap so I can get better view from being far away.
What on your lap?
My camera. I have to pay attention to the time on this because it only has a limited time it can be on for.
Oh, don't leave it on in the time.
Well, I can do that because to get ready for them and stuff. Sit on the ground. I think it'd be better if I sat on the ground. What? So I think it'd be better if I actually sat on the ground. Yeah. They're so bright, I actually have to close my eyes.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That is awesome. I have to close my eyes, it's so bright.
Can you feel the ash?
Yes, I can. That's why I got down, because it's like I don't want to
I
feel
was
it
under
on
the
me.
tent over there and I could hear it get hit. Boom, 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 boom.
Glad I have my glasses on there.
Yeah, I'm starting to wonder. I'm doing this. I wonder if something's going to get in my eye.
Good, because I can still feel
That's why I
it
went
coming down.
lower, so that way I wouldn't have to worry about it. But then the brightness is making me blink anyways.
I can still feel some coming.
Yeah.
Good, they're good. Probably getting in my drink.
And they're definitely hitting my hair. And I was hoping that there were bugs and stuff, but...
Here comes the big one.
Here we go. Let's go. Go up. Don't blow up there.
Well, they're still looking really cool just in the pit.
Uh-oh.
Boom.
It's a fountain.
Okay, that's disappointing.
Oh, don't go near it.
There it goes.
That's supposed to be all up there.
Yeah, that's why you can't get near it. You don't know when
Funny
it's
how
going
it
to let
doesn't
go.
make noise though. Whoa. Kind of cool though, even down there.
Yeah, I like looking at it.
That's kind of cool.
My camera's not doing it
Watch me
justice.
pull a rabbit out of my
It's
hat.
like a fountain. It's like a fountain. That's cool.
Yeah, I like those ones where they don't blow up. Up.
Woohoo!
It's cute.
Woo! It's trying.
It.
One more. Don't worry, it happens to everybody.
That was weird.
Yeah, those ones happen a lot though.
At least they have a nice little thing over there. What are they using? They just built it.
Alright, I'm gonna...